Hola perritos y perritas, it's your girl Dolce, back at it again, ya tú sabes. And I'm here with yet another wig review. So the company I'm going to be reviewing today comes from Amazon. The company's name is Dorosy Hair Company. I've never tried them before, but I really love their hair. This is probably one of my favorite wigs I've ever purchased from Amazon. Speaking of which, totaled up to about $131. Came straight away, like 2 days with Amazon Prime, and I love the quality of this hair. So basically in this video I'm going to show you guys how to bleach your knots, and if you make the mistake like I did of over bleaching your knots, I'm going to give you guys a way to correct that without using dye. I had no dye in my house, but this method worked perfectly for me, and it was done in under 5 minutes. And you're seeing the scalp. I'm giving you guys very much scalp beyond that. This is like the most scalp I've given you guys in a very long time. All the specs of this hair will be listed down below in the description, so don't forget to check that out. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. It's the same name as the channel. It's Dolce TV. And yes, this hair is everything. It's curly, but it's very no maintenance. You know how some hair can be low maintenance? This hair is no maintenance. I can get up and go. Honestly, it's very soft. I don't receive any shedding from this hair. It's a 13x6, which I really like. So again, 13x6 is going to be 13 across in the frontal and 6 inches of parting space, which gives you a lot of versatility, and it's way more natural. Like, are y'all peeping this? Like, this is coming out of my scalp, and that's period. And one more hack I have in this video is cleaning the lace. So previous to me making the video and editing, I realized that I missed the portion of me fixing the over bleaching the first time. So I'm gonna show you guys how I clean my wigs after I've worn it. So I did wear this in Vegas. I went to plenty pool parties. This hair set up amazingly. But yeah, I cleaned off like the excess. When you get glue or tape or any type of gel buildup, you want to clean your lace before you reapply it. And in this video I include a clip showing you how I actually clean my lace before I reslay it. Okay, so if you guys are ready for that, stay tuned. And like I said, all the information will be down below on the details of this poppin' wig. Let's go. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time. bye.